grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, got mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, dip in my lip, mud jug in the holder, strawberry wine dime leaning on my shoulder, baby boy riding mud grips on his stroller. I even had a set on my old snapper mower. It's not just a trend, it's how we show our pride, to have them big mud grips spinning on our ride. We got the camo on the side with the speakers being loud, smoke stacks in the back and they pouring black clouds. Big old buggies, everybody muddy. I dare you city boys to try these stunts up in your cutty. Y'all's 24s ain't nothing, it's 44s are running. Got our foot up on the gas, shot a nitrous wind humming. I'm on this country stuff, yeah you know it's rednecks, we were raised up rough. Yeah we hit the mud hole with the gas open wide, got my windshield wipers on, boy you know how we ride. We ride mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, got a 12 on my wall with a 10 right beside them, sheds on my back porch, I walk the woods and find them, spotlight in my truck so at night I can blind them, swerving on them mud grips, dirt road riding, from Mossy to Real Tree they both show the real me, country to the bone like chasing after real meat, bucking duck tattoos, camouflage Matthews, camouflage 12 gauge for all games, riding on the fields, coming through the fields, yeah, we sleep back relaxed, drink to the camouflage throw some gas on it, I'ma fire up the truck and we gon' play some cash on it. Take a seat on the tailgate and look around, it's mud grips and moonshine, that's how we get down. Ride mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, mud grips on everything, camouflage on
full of dip, I'm a straight up redneck, far from the city. These are my woods and my truck stays gritty. Ain't got no fear cause I tote the heat, and I shot those deer so my folks can eat, cause we live out here where there's no concrete. I drive a big truck and the gas ain't cheap, so I live my life by the stars and stripes. Being country don't matter if you're black or white, it's all about how you live your life, and when you get done wrong and you still do right. We gotta stay tight and close together through the thick and the thin and the stormy weather. Just remember when you're down and you need some help, stay true to your roots and be yourself, cause you know we ride mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything. Yeah, mud grips on everything, camouflage on everything, redneck on everything.
Dude, that was incredible. level 2.